Christopher Columbus. The Allah Almighty God has directed humanity to go beyond your world and explore other worlds created by His excellence. Not everyone ponders, executes, and accomplishes this. Nature sets its own course for future generations and changes the structure of society. In 1492, Christopher Columbus sailed the Atlantic Ocean, making him the number one person who has changed the world when he sailed across the Atlantic 4 times in search of land of the riches of Asia. He left on a voyage on the Santa Maria across Europe and the Atlantic in hope to reach India and Asia. Instead, he accidentally discovered the Americas. He found the unknown land that marked the beginning of transatlantic colonization and conquest. The European people followed him and settled in the new land in search of new life. These people worked for the creation of new life full of riches. The persecuted Jews left for America, where they started a new secure life. They contributed for the development of America in all fields of life. It started the process of industrialization and exploration in the world. This discovery started the development of life in all fields of life. The economic and political development of today's world is due to the development of United States of America, barren land and jungle to a civilized world, which eventually contributed for liberation of the people from bondage of colonialism. Thanks. I am Professor Qayum Mangi.